You can now easily request client signatures electronically on various documents. Clients can sign digitally on a desktop, tablet, and phone, or receive a link via email, SMS, or even in the app. First, let's make sure you've created the documents and consent forms that require signatures. If you haven't already done so, click on the certificates and forms located on the left-hand side of your dashboard. You can add a new template or edit an existing one. Remember, only the documents that include the client's signature shortcode will be able to be signed electronically. You can add this shortcode anywhere on the document or in multiple places. The actual signature will be displayed once it's been completed. Next, let's go to the Documents tab from any pet's profile to generate the form that needs to be signed electronically. Documents are located on the left-hand side of the patient dashboard. Click on Add New, search for the form or consent that needs to be signed, click on Confirm. Now, there are a few different methods to obtain signatures. You can do so directly on your device by simply clicking on Sign Now, which will allow the client to read the document and sign it directly, or you can send the request via email. A unique signature link will be sent directly to their email address that requests a signature. Once the client accesses the link, they can review the document. When they're ready to sign, they simply click on the Sign button located in the upper right-hand corner. Then they'll be prompted with a canvas where they can add their signature, edit their signature if something doesn't look right, or confirm it directly. After clicking on Save, the document will be updated with their signature, and the status of the form will be updated with the display date of when the signature request has been sent or the date that it was signed.